How to add someone as collaborator on TikTok. So if you want to add someone as collaborator on TikTok, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for TikTok application. Now, once you've searched, you need to tap on it and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you need to go with the plus, which will be on the bottom. After that, tap on done or next, which will be on the bottom. And here you can just simply go and add a description or any hashtags if you want to. And you can also mention. So here you will have mention option. Tap on mention and go and select any person that you're comfortable with and mention that person. So under mention, you need to select the username of the person with whom you would like to collaborate. Just select the profile and an invite will be sent. And then you can post the video. Just tap on post, which will be in the bottom right, and it will be posted. The video will appear on both profiles and likes, comments, and views will be shared. Pro tip, you need to make sure that the other account is public and eligible for collaborations. If the option doesn't appear, the feature may not be available for one of the accounts yet. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.